Sorry for the noise, but as you can see, you can't see out the windshield very good. This is Arkansas, eastbound on 40, east of Little Rock, about halfway to Memphis. Last 30 miles have been nothing but ice. It's clearing up a little bit now. Should be pretty easy going the rest of the trip.